How to buy OZAK AI token. So this token came under the symbol of OZ. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description and get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. So before we go and buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account first and keep following their updates about this token. So to be able to buy this token, you go to this link, ozak.ai/presale, and you will see this page. Now click on buy now. They will redirect you to the page that you can buy there. So first of all, you need to connect your wallet. For example, I will select the Bybit wallet for that. Now just wait a few seconds. Make sure to log into your wallet first. Now after that, what you need to do, just confirm. And after that, as you can see here, you will see this page. So you have the Ethereum, USDT, or USDC. Now select your token. For that, I will use USDT, and here type how much you want to buy, and as you can see, it's how much you receive of OZ. Now check this box. As you can see, yes, I have read. Now click on buy token. After that, payment token amount should be less than token balance, so just reduce that. For example, like $20 or any, and after that, click on buy token. So payment token amount should be less than token balance. So if you select the Ethereum, I will just change that to Ethereum. Click on buy now, and it's still the same message, less than token balance. So payment token amount should be less than token balance. So as you can see, the wallet, all right, so the balance of my wallet, so I don't have any funds. So for you, if you make sure to fund your wallet with USDT or USDC or Ethereum, to be able to buy this token. After that, click on buy, and you will buy this token. So this is how to buy the OZAK AI token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.